Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can enable battery saver in your Chromebook. So I highly recommend to enable this feature if you want to get extra 1 hour, 2 hour or maybe 3 hours of usage time from your Chromebook device. And the setting to enable that is pretty easy, and here's how you can do it. First, of course, you have to open the settings menu. Click the launcher menu right here on the bottom left corner of the screen. And you want to navigate to settings, and after that you want to navigate to the device, not device. If you're using the latest version of Chrome OS, the battery settings are no longer in the device section. It is actually on the system preferences, so you want to navigate on this menu, and after that navigate to power, and here you will see the option of battery saver. Now, before you want to enable this setting, just keep in mind that it will do a few things to your device. First of all, it's going to reduce the brightness, it will limit the background activity and some visual effects like animation, and not to mention the notifications from the apps might not come as often as it used to when the battery saver wasn't enabled. Just keep that in mind before you're enabling this feature. But overall, I think it is not really a problem, especially given the benefit is that you can get extra few hours of the usage time from your device. So click on it, and now the battery saver has been enabled, and it should take a lot longer to actually deplete the whole battery from this Chromebook device. And you can actually see the calculation here or you can also check the estimated usage time at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can click on this menu and you will see the power usage. Sometimes there is a number of how many hours you can use this device in this power profile. But anyway, that's exactly how you can enable battery saver on your Chromebook. I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help the channel out, and I'll see you on the next Chromebook tutorial video.